Hello agents, want to learn how to get started with your Top Producer website? Check your inbox for an email titled, Set up your Top Producer website now. It'll be coming from do-not-reply@topproducer.com. To get started, either click on the Get Started button or navigate to topproducerwebsite.com. Once at the login screen, fill in your brand new username and password and then click on Sign In. Once you sign in, you'll be met with the End User License Agreement. This is the same agreement for all Top Producer products. If you need to learn more about that, please just read through this thoroughly or feel free to reach out to your sales representative before hitting I have read and accept these terms, and then click Accept. On this next screen, you'll be asked to import from Top Producer or skip. As the Import from Top Producer button is related to the older version of Top Producer CRM, we're going to go ahead and click on Skip. Next up, we need to fill out some basic contact profile information. Look out for the red asterisk. That'll tell you what's actually mandatory on the screen. For everything else, you can always come back later and customize it further, so you don't have to fill out everything right away. Specialties and areas served will just need to be filled in with at least some basics for now. Under office information, you'll need to at least just fill out the city, state or province, zip or postal code, and country before clicking on Next. On step 3 of the website wizard, you can upload a headshot and company logo. To upload a headshot, click on the Add Photo button below the headshot area, and then browse your computer and select the picture you'd like to upload before clicking Open. To upload a company logo, repeat that process, but with the Add Logo button instead. And once you have both images uploaded that you'd like, click on Next. Step 4 of the website wizard is for header and footer information. You can adjust the primary header message, the secondary header message, and the footer message to be displayed on your website. Here's what the headers would look like on your website. From the same page, you can also choose which profile information will show up on your website. When you're ready, click on Next. Step 5 of the website wizard allows you to customize your website's color theme as well as what we call the Hero Carousel. To choose a color theme, browse through the available options. They're named after different areas or property styles. Find the one that best suits you. After customizing your website's color theme, you can scroll down and customize the Hero Carousel. Here you can have up to 4 images uploaded that will be cycled through on your website in a dynamic image feed. You can choose to change the default stock image or upload additional ones, but you have to have at least 1 image uploaded. When you're ready, scroll down to the bottom and click Publish My Site. And now you're all done with the website wizard. Perfect. Next, you can edit your website further, attach one or more domain names, or view your website to see what it looks like right out of the box. If you click on View My Site, you can take a look at your website right away. Along the top of the website, there's the different pages. Just click on them to navigate. Going back to the home page, if we scroll down a little bit, you can see a welcome message. This can be customized in any way that you want. On the right side, you can see your profile information. And if you scroll down to the very bottom of the website, you'll once again see your profile information as well as a sitemap over to the left here. To edit the content and other aspects of your website, click on Edit My Site. As you can see, there's a variety of different sections that you can work on here. For help with this, please don't hesitate to reach out through the live chat in the bottom right corner of your Top Producer website, and our customer care team would be happy to assist. Alternatively, you can also click on the Help button in the far top right corner. This will take you to the Top Producer website portion of the Top Producer Campus support page. Here you can browse through a variety of different articles to learn more about the different features of your Top Producer website. To connect a domain name to your Top Producer website, you'll first have to log into your domain provider and add the Top Producer website IP address to the domain name settings. For information on that, go to the top right corner of your Top Producer website, click on the Help button. From here, click on the first article, How do I configure my domain? Here you'll find the Top Producer website IP address that you'll need to copy and paste into your domain name's A record, which tells it where to point to. After updating your domain's A record, click on Manage Domain Names from your Top Producer website's website manager, or go up to My Account along the top, and then Manage Domain Names at the bottom here. To add a domain name, click on Add Domain. Type in your domain name and click on OK. If you need any help setting up your domain name or names with your Top Producer website, please feel free to reach out to our customer care team through the live chat in the bottom right corner, and we'd be happy to assist. If you need help with an SSL certificate to secure your website's domain name, please also feel free to reach out to us through the live chat, and we'll get that process started for you. If you have the Top Producer CRM as well, it's highly recommended that you integrate it with your Top Producer website. This way, if anyone fills out a lead form on your website, it'll be sent to your Top Producer CRM automatically, where you can then nurture that lead, follow up, and more. To integrate your Top Producer CRM with your Top Producer website, click on the My Account button along the top, and then go to Third-Party Integrations. From here, go to the Top Producer section, fill in your Top Producer username and Top Producer CRM password before clicking on Save Integrations. If you also have the powerful Market Snapshot add-on for your Top Producer CRM, you can also integrate that with your Top Producer website to be able to make Market Snapshot landing pages to capture leads. For help integrating your Market Snapshot with your Top Producer website, please don't hesitate to reach out through the live chat, and we'll get that integrated for you. So, now you know the basics of getting started with your Top Producer website. And remember, if you need help, you can always access the live chat through your Top Producer website's manager page. Click on the Help button in the top right corner, or in your web browser, just type in topproducer.com/campus. Where you can find articles for not just Top Producer websites, but any Top Producer product for that matter. And now it's time to enjoy the competitive edge, ease of use, and online presence you need with Top Producer.